Hello mga friends. Now it's July again. 2020 is July. Cooking time. Continue watching Dean's vlog. Okay, we will cook chocolate caramel brownies. So we have this. It's already mixed. Our brownies, chocolate brownies. We have meron tayong oil na 1/3 cup cooking oil, any vegetable, canola or something. So meron tayong egg, isang egg. Isang egg. So meron tayong isang pouch or the caramel. Yes, this one. And we need milk or water. Milk, ito, 1/4 cup. Milk or kung walang milk, water. It depends. So, lalagay tayo ng milk, 1/4 cup. Cup. Yes, this one. Cup. Ito na siya. So, sorry. Set aside muna natin itong ating pan. First, ito na yun. Ilalagay natin yung ating milk. Just stir it. Ayan. And ilalagay natin yung ating oil. Isang egg. Samahan natin ng kanta-kanta. Mix. Mixing. No need mixer. Just mix it by hand using spatula. See, again you have just a mix brownish. Just add water or milk, 1/4 cup, and then add 1/3 cup of vegetables oil, any canola oil or something you can add that. Then mix together with the 1 egg. Yep. Then while I'm doing this, friends, continue watching, subscribe Dean's vlog, and everything will be good. Watch and continue watching. We can earn. Some tips, easy, and you can eat your brownies, your caramel brownies. This was my 1 pouch caramel. I will show you later. Yeah. Just mixing it for 1 minute. It's done. Don't overmix. Just sometimes kasi nagpa-fail, it will be the over mixing. Okay, it's done. Very simple. It's already mixed. Well mixed na siya. Kakainin yung family, yung kids. Set aside natin. Kukuhanin natin yung ating pan. And we will spray. Para hindi siya dumikit. use shake, 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 and I will spray. This is non-stick. And now we will put this one mix. Okay, show you guys. Let's see it. Yep. That's it, empty. Yep. Ganda. Isayaw-sayaw natin ng konti para balance siya. Up, right? And we also need to set our oven 350. Yep, 350 temperature around for 20 minutes. It's already, you will see. Yeah, you will wait. See it? Huh? Somewhere natin tayo parang squeeze while waiting the oven. Squeeze. Yeah. And then we will cut the tips. Yeah. Small, very small. Yeah, dito sa edge na to. Kakat natin. Yep. And we can start. Ilagay natin yung design na caramel sa top. You can see that. Okay.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms. The one to show me if we're together. No matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy.
It's 10:39, 20 minutes. It's going to be okay, 10:40. So 11 exact time. Natin sa bake. So wait natin ng 20 minutes. 11 o'clock. Our brownies is done. So I'm ready here. So wait for 20 minutes. 14, I'm wrong. A while ago, it's 30 minutes to 35 minutes. Yeah, it's already 34, so I'm done. So let's get our salted caramel brownies. Hey, ding ding.
Everything in my day. I love the way you like a song, you know my heart. Cause you know me, know my heart. You're everything in my
That's
day.
perfect.
I love the way you know my
We
heart.
will wait,
Alright.
see it to be
Show me now and
cool.
forever. No, you'll never be alone.
Pero pwede rin natin isi-slice. Well, it's hot, but it's still hot. So we'll just slice later. Not really hot.
As long as you're in my arms, boy.
And slice here. Ito na naman aking knife.
All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in
Plastic
my
knife.
arms,
Kapag
boy.
hot, still hot. And like this. No knife sa Gemma. No plastic. So, still good. Okay. Let's see. Yep. Put in here. It's in here. Very small. Yep. Yeah.